Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run storage analytics to track your memory space on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to show you some methods to run the storage analytics on your Samsung Galaxy phone. The first one, you can go to your My File application. You can open up your Samsung app and then select the My Files application. And here guys, you will be able to run storage analytics. You can go to manage storage right here. And here guys, you will get the analytics of your storage or your memory. And as you can see, my internal storage is 50% used, and you will be able to get the details right here. And then you can also go to your setting and then check the memory space there. Just open up your setting and then go to the device care. Okay, just scroll down to find this device care, and in this device care you'll be able to check your storage and then your memory as well. You can click on the storage to run storage analytics. Okay, and it's same with the storage analytics in the Files app. And you can go to the memory to check your memory space. Okay, and here you'll be able to clean your memory. You can free up your memory by stopping background apps and just click on clean now. It will help you to free up your space guys. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to give you tips guys. If your memory is running out, you can go to your setting again and then go to the apps menu, and you can free up your space by deleting the app cache and app data. For example, I'm going to clear the cache of my Facebook. You can go to Facebook, go to the storage, and then click on clear cache, and we can click on clear data as well to free up our space. Okay, and then you can open up the apps which contains the large data and cache, and just delete it like this to free up your space. Okay guys, and that's all the way to run storage analytics to track memory space on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.